A titration is a laboratory procedure for quantitative analysis. Titrometric analysis is used to determine the concentration of an analyte in a solution, the stoichiometry of a reaction, the number of electrons gained or accepted in a redox reaction, or to determine the solubility product. However, for this lab, we're using titrometric analysis in order to determine the concentration of an analyte within the solution.
We are adding 20 milliliters of citric acid to the flask.
We are now adding a few drops of the indicator solution.
We add 50 milliliters of sodium hydroxide to bring the burette to 0.
Evan, question.
We are now slowly releasing the sodium hydroxide into the citric acid while rapidly swirling. Notice how the solution turns pink when the sodium hydroxide is added.
I think we got it.
When it continues to be pink after we swirl, that means we've reached the end point. We can now measure the volume of the sodium hydroxide. We've determined that the volume of sodium hydroxide is approximately 31.8 milliliters.
It is important to look at the bottom of the meniscus for your measurement. As you can see, the graduation marks are to 0.1 milliliter. Okay, so is the rubric right here? Okay. So
it's very important to determine the concentration of your sodium hydroxide because it's necessary in order to calculate the concentration of your citric acid. We started with a volume of 20 milliliters of citric acid, and we found that the volume of sodium hydroxide is 31.8 milliliters. So we have to know the concentration of sodium hydroxide in order to finish our calculation.
Yeah, mine's not got it either.